Greetings, my precious adventurers. I am your pubmaster, and today we'll be trying the Yawning Portal's Buttermilk Biscuits. With its recipe rumored to be gifted to Durnan, a former adventurer turned famed proprietor, by Lady Lustriel Silverhand, the savory and flaky cake served around the clock by the basketful quickly became a secondary attraction to the Undermountain Cavern. Supposedly, these biscuits are a hangover cure when made into a morning sandwich. I myself had tried these foodstuffs and loved them so much I needed to add these to my own menu. Thanks to my persuasive abilities, I was able to procure the true recipe from the man himself. And today, I shall review the taste with you. They are huge, I will admit that. Very spongy. They're very, very good. I put a little bit of butter on this beforehand, and I can tell without the butter, it would be good. The butter does enhance it. It is very fluffy. It's really good. The top is a deeper golden brown than usual, but good. It's still good nonetheless. You can taste the tingle of the buttermilk in it. And I've had buttermilk by itself, and it is unpleasant. However, when made into a biscuit such as this, it is pleasant. It is really good. It's very fluffy. So good, I'm at a loss for words, apparently. Well, that will conclude my review of the Yawning Portal Buttermilk Biscuits. As always, I am your pubmaster, and as such, I command you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.